What's up, everybody? It's Amrinder Singh, and you are listening to Learn Punjabi like a native podcast. The main purpose of this podcast is to teach you conversation in Punjabi and tell the difference between textbook type Punjabi and the real conversation in Punjabi. Now, let's kick this thing off. Today, we are going to learn Punjabi word maukka. Probably you already know this word or heard about that maukka, or maybe you're thinking, what the hell is that? So this word is simple meaning is opportunity, but this word is also used for as a moment, right? So first we will look some example when we use it as a opportunity. For example, if somebody wants to apply for a job which is just opened, right? The job vacancy is just open, and that person is talking to you like he's trying to think to like apply for that job, and then you can say, yeah, you can do it, man. Like this is really good opportunity. In Punjabi, you say, "Eh ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਮੌਕਾ." ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਮੌਕਾ, all right? This is really good opportunity. And sometimes maybe a person like we are regretting something we couldn't do it in the past and we could do that time but we decided not to do, right? So that time we say like you had an opportunity that time, right? In Punjabi we would say ਉਦੋਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਵਧੀਆ ਮੌਕਾ ਸੀ, ਉਦੋਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਵਧੀਆ ਮੌਕਾ ਸੀ. It means you had really good opportunity that time, right? And now let's say how we use this word as a moment. For example, if you are doing something, right, and that person came at the moment when you were doing that activity. For example, if you were like you were drinking a tea and that person came on the moment, all right, and you didn't want to give him tea but he came at the moment and now you have to give him, right? Because he's your friend. Maybe inside you don't want to give him a tea, but like as a friend now you have to give it to him. And maybe after that when he's gone and maybe you're talking to your another friend, maybe your family, right? And you would say like ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਚਾਹ ਦੇਣੀ ਪੈਗੀ, ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਚਾਹ ਦੇਣੀ ਪੈਗੀ. It means he came at the moment, that's why we have to give him tea, right? Otherwise we didn't want to give him tea. All right, these kind of stuff. So actually the moment actual word in Punjabi is pala, right? Pala. It means moment, but when we use that kind of thing, like already I told you, right? ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਆ ਗਿਆ. It means he came on that moment. Or it could mean like a right time or the right moment. For example, if somebody say ਕੱਲ ਤਾਂ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਕੰਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਕੱਲ ਤਾਂ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਕੰਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, it means yesterday the stuff you want to do or work, it happened on the right time or on the moment when you want to do it, all right? So that's how we use this word maukka. We use it as opportunity and we also use it as a moment. Like you already know when somebody comes at our home, so we ask him like for tea or for drink, whatever, right? Mostly in Punjab, we ask for a tea like ho cha pani pina, right? Stuff like that. So yeah, some people, some people, what they don't ask, right? They don't want to ask you to drink something, right? But they are still your friend, and if you came on the moment when they are drinking, yeah, that time they ask you. Some people are like that, so these kind of people. So probably after that, if you came on the moment, right? So maybe they talk about like ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਯਾਰ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਚਾਹ ਦੇਣੀ ਪੈਗੀ, right? That person came on the moment, that's why we have to give him tea. And another good example is like ਜਦੋਂ accident ਹੋਇਆ ਤਾਂ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਕੌਣ ਸੀ? It means like when accident happened, who was at that moment, all right? Or who was the witness, right? So in Punjabi it's going to be ਜਦੋਂ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ accident ਹੋਇਆ ਉਦੋਂ ਕੌਣ ਸੀ, or ਜਦੋਂ accident ਹੋਇਆ ਉਦੋਂ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਕੌਣ ਸੀ? So here maukka is used as a moment at that time, right? So it is not used as opportunity, right? Who was when accident happened, who was at that time, all right, or at that moment. At the end, if you think you are getting the value from this podcast and you want to support it, then you can support it through Patreon and PayPal. Links are in the description. If you can't support this podcast, then at least you can give it to 5 stars if you're listening on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. It would also help this podcast to spread to the more people. By the way, if you have a hard time to understand Punjabi pronouns like active pronouns, passive pronouns, possessive pronouns, then check out my ebook. This is completely free. So links are in the description. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something new today. I'll be back with another lesson another day.